I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. So I'm wondering if it's rained since I was out here last because the table looks cleaner. I mean, you know, and I don't think anybody comes out and like sprays it off and cleans it. I mean, they might, but I don't think they do. But anyway, so yeah, there's less bird poop out here. So I forgot a spoon, and something told me to grab a spoon. I reached in and I didn't feel one. Before we walked out, I'm like, you better reach ahead and grab one, Ter. So I did. I reached in and I have some extra spoons. One of y'all suggested that because I would have to go use a plastic one, and one of y'all was like, bring extra spoons. I'm like, oh yeah, they're not always, the best planner. But that's why you guys are here. We all learn and grow from each other, by George. So, today's Thursday, which means tonight's pool night. I'll try to get some footage if I can. I don't know where we play tonight. Here now. Come on now. There's a sweat bee or some kind of... Hey, get out away from there. Listen, this ain't a flower. Oh, no, this ain't going to happen. Listen, y'all. No. If that thing lands in my food and I eat it, it ain't going to be a good day. He's hovering underneath of the thing. Well, if I eat a bee and this video, hey, how about this? If this video is uploaded, I'm okay. If it's uploaded on, if this video is available on Saturday, October 4th, then I survived whatever happens. Ain't that a kick in the pants, y'all? That's one kind of weird thing, about this. If I were to, I know it's morbid, but if something were to happen, like I ran away or I don't know, something, y'all wouldn't know about it until I just didn't show up. But anyway. We got a cheeseburger today. It's ground beef. Listen now. Stop it. It's ground beef with, I bet it smells that sweet pickles. Ground beef, ketchup, sweet pickles, no sugar added sweet pickles, no sugar added bread and butter pickles, and some mustard. I think I might have put a little thousand. No, I didn't put 8,000 on them. I'm going to take one more bite and cover that up. Get on my nerves. See him? You see him? He landed on my spoon. My hand's shaking. Listen, feller. Ain't nobody got time for no bees around my food here. So we'll close that up. We'll see if he wants my salad. I better take these off. I might not see him. Listen. Listen, Linda. Stop it. I'm just going to have to hold it still, and I might have to whack him and just be done with it. Let's see if he comes after my salad. Listen, I didn't even share my food with my ex-husband. I sure ain't trying to share with no bee. I don't share food very well. So far, so good. Oh, nope, he's back. He said, hey. He said, that don't smell as good. He did come around, but he hadn't. All right, I'm going to take one more bite, and we're just going to put everything away. Dang thing, get on my nerve. Stop it. But don't keep getting in my bag, neither. I am not taking you into that building with me to eat. Zip this up. Now. All right, then. Now. Oh, and now he's not happy. Well, don't be messing with my food, and I wouldn't have had to put it up. Maybe it's me. He's still kind of buzzing around. Well, y'all, I love you. And I guess we just can't have a very good conversation right now. I'll see you at supper. Because he is sure flying around trying to find it. All right, I'm out. I love y'all. Bye. Hello, we're home. Oh, look what shirt I'm wearing to pool tonight. Says, I'm a simple woman. I love dogs and believe in Jesus. Look at all those puppy dogs. Ain't that fun? I like it. I like it. I like it like that. Burm, 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 burm. I like it like that. All right, so I have regrets about what I did. Not about what I'm eating. So this is 2 chicken thighs, and I cooked 2 fried eggs. And I didn't cut up the chicken. That's where I have my hashtag regrets. But I have some Alfredo sauce on here. So we ain't going to be like, I ain't going to be all fancy. I'm just going to be taking big old hunks of bites. It's me. Just let it go. So anyway, but it's Alfredo, chicken and Alfredo and eggs. Ooh, you know it's true. Ooh, 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 I love food. I only have, okay, this is the realness of it. I only have 2 pair of kitchen scissors. And, hey, I can use it. Hang on. So I have 2 pair of kitchen shears, okay? And I didn't realize that I'm going to be washing dishes after I put these dishes in the dishwasher. So it's like, I was like, well, I don't want to waste my kitchen shears and dirty them up. I know I could wash them off. I ain't about that life. I ain't about that life. Plus it's chicken, and I'd rather chicken shears go through the dishwasher, but I did use them. I thought I got every piece, but I didn't. It's this hunk. Let me go. So that's what this is. Alfredo, 2 chicken and 2 eggs. Guys, I put on my nails last night. I know I said I was going to do video, but I didn't. I just didn't. I was in a hurry and I didn't. So I will. This one, we're going to tell you what it is. I'll tell you what it is. This is pistachio, okay? Keto chow pistachio. So half a serving of keto chow pistachio, half a serving of the Equip Prime peanut butter plus thickener. So the thickening, perfect. It's like having a mouthful of pistachios and peanuts. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, so I don't go while I'm waiting on pool. What I learned, I did last week, I take my watch and I charge it. It dies at about 8 o'clock every night. Because I charge it overnight and I put it on about 6:15 in the morning. So it dies about 7 o'clock at night, 8 o'clock. So anyway, by me charging it now, I let it charge, and then I have an alarm to tell me when to leave for pool. And I say, watch, go to pool. So also on these evenings, I eat in here and I bring my iPad in and I watch my iPad, because I know if I go in the living room, kick back, get comfy and all that good stuff, I am not going to want to go to pool. I'm just going to want to stay home. So by forcing myself to stay in this room, I don't even know what time it is. Hey, Ziggy, what time is it?
It's 5:13 p.m.
Oh, 5:13. Oh, so I got about 40 minutes. Anyway, I know if I go in there, I won't want to get up. So I after we're done, I won't upload the video, but I will grab my iPad and sit and watch it. I'm about to be mean, okay? Hey, Alexa, set a 3 a.m. alarm. Did yours do it? Did it do it? Here. Ziggy, set a 3 a.m. alarm.
Alarm set for 3 a.m. tomorrow.
Ziggy, cancel 3 a.m. alarm.
3 a.m. alarm canceled.
Alexa, cancel 3 a.m. alarm. There you go. I'm so mean. Oh, I'm just full of business. It's because I had a little extra coffee. All right, I'll see what I can record for pool tonight. I love you guys. Jesus loves you guys. And I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, guys, we are at Pool League tonight. That's another team. That's my team. And that's some of my team down there. I just had a couple practice sessions. I did so-so, but that's all right. It's not a game. I'm just playing. So, anyway, all right, here we are. This is our home place. It's called the Plaza Pool place. I don't know. They have a snooker ball table down at the end, but it's always been covered, so I don't know how it's played. But anyway, all right, see you later. Well, I forgot to record myself playing, but I won. I played 9-ball and I won, so go Terri. Go Terri. Anyway, all right, I'll see y'all later. So if y'all don't get to see me play tonight, say it, Tam. Go Terri. Go Terri. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.